Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to calculate your loan repayment using Bright's built-in app loan calculator. This is a great way to plan ahead and to make sure that a loan actually fits your budget before you go ahead and apply. So let's dive in. First, start by opening the Bright app and logging into your account using your credentials. From the dashboard, navigate to the loan section. This might also appear on the financial tools, of course, depending on your app layouts. Look for the option that says loan calculator and tap on that. Now, enter the loan amount that you're considering, let's say $5,000. Next, select the repayment term. You can typically choose from, options like 12, 24, or 36 months. And then enter the interest rates. If you're not sure, Bright may offer an estimate based on average rates. Once all the details are filled in, tap Calculate. The calculator will instantly display your estimated monthly payments, the total interest rate, and the overall cost of the loan. You can adjust the terms or amount to see how it affects your monthly payments, helping you to choose the most manageable plan. And that's it. You now know how to use Bright's loan calculator to make informed decisions. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright app tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.